NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with NANATHESAUCYCHEF.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be unboxing from the Drew Barrymore Beautiful Kitchenware Collection, her hand blender. It's 2-speed with attachments. It has a 2-cup chopper, stainless steel whisk attachment, and 24-ounce measuring cup with storage lid. Quiet and powerful DC motor for maximum blending power without off noise. 400-watt blending system, so you can blend, chop, whip, and more. It also has a soft grip control. It has an extra long 5-foot cord for easy maneuvering around the kitchen. It's ergonomic and lightweight for easy handling and better control. Long-lasting material, soft matte premium finish. 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft blends directly into tall pots and pans. As I mentioned, the attachments included are the 2-cup chopper, stainless steel whisk attachment, and 24-ounce measuring cup. The additional features is detachable, easy twist and lock blending shaft for easy cleaning. Unique blending rod design for improved blending performance. Extra long 5-foot cord for easy maneuvering around the kitchen workstation. And detachable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Also guys, the color is white icing. So now it's time to unbox it. Okay guys, so this is everything that came in the box. Of course you have your instruction manual. You also have a card to register your product. We have a 3-cup measuring cup. We also have our 2.5-cup chop bowl. You have your chopper bowl lid. And inside we have a chop and grind S blade. So you can actually mince, chop, and grind with that. Here we have our 8-inch stainless steel shaft. It has a stainless steel blade with a blade guard. So here we have our whisk attachment, and this is our attachment collar with notches. So here is our motor body. As you can see, the B is in gold, and it has an ergonomic handle. And also the cord on it is 5 feet long. The top button is for low speed and the bottom is for high speed. And also the top is trimmed in gold. Guys, I just wanted to show you, this piece attaches right there onto our chop bowl. This is what it looks like once the 8-inch stainless steel shaft is attached. And guys, as you can see, to attach the 8-inch stainless steel shaft, all you do is twist it and it will lock it in and it will unlock it. That's the same for the attachment for the chop bowl. So for the attachment for the chop bowl, all you do is line up your arrows on it. Now with our chop bowl, all you want to do is add this on top if you're using that, and you just want to lock it in. Now for that attachment, as you can see on the bottom, you can add your whisk to it. And that's what it looks like. And if you're going to use the whisk, all you do is attach it to the motor body. So guys, I hope you stick around because I'll be using this in an upcoming video. We can see exactly how it works and how good it is, which I'm pretty sure I will be satisfied with it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?